Welcome everyone, today we embark on a journey to the captivating landscapes of Kosovo. Nestled in the heart of Southeast Europe, this hidden gem is a melange of towering mountains, serene waterfalls, and historic cities. Its rich history, dating back to the Bronze Age, has shaped its diverse landscapes, creating a tapestry of scenic beauty that is as varied as it is enchanting. From the lofty peaks of Rugova to the tranquil serenity of Mirusha waterfalls, every nook and cranny of Kosovo tells a story. Stories of ancient civilizations, of battles fought, of cultures merging and influencing one another. Each scenic vista is a page from a history book, waiting to be read, to be explored, to be savored. As we delve deep into the heart of this beautiful country, we will uncover the myriad facets of its scenic beauty. So brace yourself as we explore the breathtaking sceneries that Kosovo has to offer. First stop, the Peaks of Rugova, a paradise for mountain lovers. This is the place where ruggedness meets serenity, where the thrill of adventure mingles with the calmness of nature. Nestled amidst the heart of Kosovo, the Peaks of Rugova are a sight to behold. Imagine standing at the foot of these towering peaks, gazing up at their awe-inspiring stature. The mountains, standing tall and proud, are like the guardians of the land, their rugged peaks reaching up towards the sky, seemingly touching the clouds. As you ascend these giants, the air around you starts to change. It becomes crisp and fresh, filling your lungs with the purest oxygen, a testament to the untamed beauty of this landscape. But the Peaks of Rugova are not just about the mountains, they are also a haven for those who love hiking. The trails here are a blend of gentle slopes and challenging terrains, perfect for both the novice and the experienced hiker. As you traverse these trails, you are rewarded with breathtaking vistas at every turn. The beauty of the landscape is accentuated by the serenity that envelops it, making your journey an experience to savor. And then, there are the panoramic views from the top. There's nothing quite like the feeling of standing on the top of a mountain, with the world spread out below you. The panoramic view from the Peaks of Rugova is a sight that will leave you breathless. The sprawling landscape, dotted with lush greenery and tiny settlements, stretches out as far as the eye can see. It's a view that will make you feel on top of the world, quite literally. But the Peaks of Rugova are more than just a destination. They are an experience, a journey into the heart of nature, a testament to the grandeur of the natural world. Standing amidst these peaks, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and respect for the power and beauty of nature. A visit to the Peaks of Rugova is like stepping into a postcard, a memory that will forever be etched in your heart. Every moment spent here is a moment to cherish, a memory to hold on to, a story to tell. Next, we take you to the serene and peaceful Mirusha Waterfalls. A marvel of nature tucked away in the heart of Kosovo, this enchanting place is a true testament to nature's astounding beauty. Imagine the sight of water rushing down from a height, cascading over rugged rocks, and splashing into the cool, clear pool below. The sound of the crashing water echoes, creating a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. Surrounding the waterfalls, the verdant greenery flourishes. The trees sway gently with the breeze, their leaves rustling like whispered secrets. Wildflowers bloom in a riot of colors, adding splashes of red, yellow, and blue to the emerald canvas. The air is fresh and crisp, carrying the subtle scent of moss and damp earth, a fragrance that is both grounding and invigorating. The water of Mirusha waterfalls is cool and refreshing, a gift from the mountains that tower above. It sparkles under the sunlight, creating a mesmerizing play of light and shadow. As the water flows downstream, it carves out a network of smaller streams and pools, each one a unique spectacle of its own. But the charm of Mirusha waterfalls is not limited to its visual appeal. It's also a perfect spot for a picnic, a place to unwind and relax. Picture this: a blanket spread under the shade of a tree, a basket filled with fresh fruits and sandwiches, the sound of laughter mingling with the rustling leaves and the cascading water. It's a scene straight out of a storybook, a moment of tranquility amidst the hustle and bustle of life. Whether you're looking for a place to reconnect with nature, seeking solace in solitude, or simply wanting to spend a day away from the noise of the city, the Mirusha Waterfalls is the place to be. It's a haven of serenity and peace, a place where you can immerse yourself in the beauty of nature and forget about the world outside, even if only for a while. The Mirusha Waterfalls, a perfect blend of tranquility and beauty, is a must-visit for every nature enthusiast. From the tranquility of nature, we head to the vibrant and historical city of Prizren. Our journey takes us to a place that is a treasure trove of cultural heritage, where every street and corner tells a story of its own. Prizren, Kosovo's second-largest city, is a fascinating blend of the old and the new. The city is a living museum, its streets lined with stone buildings that date back centuries. These structures, with their distinct architectural styles, are a testament to the city's rich history and diverse cultural influences. Each brick, each cobblestone, seems to whisper tales of the past, of empires risen and fallen, of traditions held dear. The city is crisscrossed by the gentle flow of the Prizren.Accursed River. This river, which runs right through the heart of the city, is more than just a waterway. It is a lifeline, a silent companion to the city's bustling life, reflecting the city's vibrancy in its shimmering surface. And then there's the Prizren Fortress perched high above the city. This fortress, also known as the Kaljaja, offers a panoramic view that is nothing short of breathtaking. From its ramparts one can see the entire city spread out below, nestled amidst rolling hills and lush greenery. It's a sight that truly encapsulates the blend of history and natural beauty that Prizren embodies. But Prizren is more than just its buildings and landscapes. It is a city alive with culture and tradition. The city's thriving art scene, its bustling markets, the warm hospitality of its people, all these elements come together to create an atmosphere that is uniquely Prizren. Prizren, a city where history and nature coexist in harmony, is a sight that leaves every visitor awe-inspired. This city, with its rich tapestry of culture, history, and natural beauty, is a gem that shines brightly in the heart of Kosovo. It is a place that invites exploration, that beckons to the curious traveler, promising a journey filled with discovery and wonder. Finally, we take you to the pristine beauty of the Accursed Mountains. Nestled in the heart of the Balkans, this mountain range is a treasure trove of untouched allure, its name belying the raw, breathtaking beauty that waits to be discovered. Picture this: majestic peaks that kiss the clear blue skies, their snow-capped summits gleaming under the golden rays of the sun. These towering sentinels of stone and ice stand as testaments to the relentless march of time, untouched by the hurried pace of modern life. Venture deeper and find a verdant paradise, where flora thrives in an array of hues that paint the landscape. From the vibrant greens of moss-covered rocks, to the riot of colors that burst forth from wildflowers in spring, every inch of this land seems to be part of a grand masterpiece painted by Mother Nature herself. And let's not forget the fauna. The Accursed Mountains are home to a diverse range of wildlife. Deer and mountain goats nimbly traverse the rocky terrain, while birds of prey circle overhead, their keen eyes scanning the ground below. Occasionally you might even catch a glimpse of the elusive lynx, a creature as beautiful as the land it calls home. But it's not just about what you can see, it's about the feeling of tranquility that envelops you the moment you set foot here. The air is a crisp, clean breath of serenity, untouched by the pollution of urban life. The silence is broken only by the gentle rustling of leaves and the distant echo of a bird's call, allowing you to hear the heartbeat of the earth itself. Whether you're an adventurer seeking to conquer its tallest peaks, a nature lover longing for a respite from the city, or a photographer in pursuit of the perfect shot, the Accursed Mountains offer an experience that is nothing short of magical. The Accursed Mountains, where nature's beauty remains untouched and pure, is a sight that will leave you yearning for more. And with that, we conclude our journey through the scenic beauty of Kosovo. We've traversed the towering peaks of Rugova, felt the serene aura of Mirusha Waterfalls, wandered the historic streets of Prizren, and marveled at the pristine beauty of the Accursed Mountains. Kosovo, a country brimming with natural and cultural gems, has offered us a taste of its diverse beauty. Each location has its own unique charm, painting a vibrant picture of this fascinating corner of the globe. From the rugged mountain terrain to the tranquil waterfalls, Kosovo's scenery has proven to be a feast for the senses and a balm for the soul. Now it's your turn. Which area of the world would you like us to cover next? Please comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps our channel to grow. Thank you for joining us on this journey.